Let's see how far we've come, MCVSD. We started off the year strong, but we concluded it even stronger. We utilized our Career Education Center and our students' cooking skills to provide a Teacher of the Year luncheon. We recognized our teachers from 2019 and 2020. We brought in our photography students from Communications High School so they could get the hands-on skills that they needed. All of these photos are compliments of them. Culinary Education Center promoted their goods on Instagram and hosted curbside bake sales. They raised money for their program for their students and also raised over $1,000 for the Valerie Fund. We were able to fund additional coaching positions for this upcoming school year. We have a diversity coaching team and an SEL coach. Mr. Muley's Food Prep 1 students last year, they prepared boxed lunches for our full-time programs right out of the Tinton Falls building. Thanks to the ESSER grant, we were able to run summer camps this past summer to address skills gaps and to nurture our students' emotional well-being. Chef Roll hosted a culinary camp for in and out of district students. We also hosted a nature writing course and an engineering course. These camps ran out of Allied and also High Technology High School. Combined, our faculty lost over 300 pounds. Dr. Ford led the way, losing 50 pounds, the weight of his son, Ashton. And even though we had to wear masks and social distance, we still made the best of it. We hosted spirit weeks, cookie competitions, and provided lots of hands-on learning for our students. High Technology High School is recognized as the #1 STEM school in the country. We had a few birthdays to celebrate. Academy of Allied Health celebrated its 25th birthday this year. Communications turned 20 in 2020. Our Floriculture and Landscaping department over at the Career Center represented the district at the Philadelphia Flower Show. We continue to celebrate our teachers, to pin them, to recognize them. And we continue to march on to ensure that we finish strong. Our level 2 students, these are our completers who graduated. Our full-time programs all graduated. And then we spent the summer getting ready for the new school year. Spent a lot of time renovating. We renovated our Class Academy building. It is now shared time at Tinton Falls. It will host all of our health occupations shared time programs. It will house our advanced manufacturing programs, and our culinary students will continue to work out of the kitchen there to provide lunches for some of our full-time programs. And we stayed connected over the summer. We were represented at the Monmouth County Fair. We engaged in professional development at the T. Thomas Fortune House in Red Bank. And we collaborated out on Sandy Hook. We advertised our adult education programs, and the 147th graduating class, LPN class, graduated over the summer. Way to go. We have so much to be grateful for. Continue doing what you do. Stay strong. Let's finish. Let's start. Let's finish strong. Have a great year, everybody.